Hi, this is Hassan Abdel Salam from GetInform, your instructor for 3ds Max 2018 Essential Training. Today we will talk about an important compound object, but first we should know what the compound objects are and where to find them. Let's start by specifying the location of compound objects. Go to Create menu, Geometry, then click on Standard Primitives pull-down menu, then select Compound Objects. Also, we can go to Create pull-down menu and Compound. You can tear that window up by clicking on the double dotted lines in the upper part of any menu. Compound objects are composed out of two or more objects that will give you the result you are looking for. The manner of how these objects interact with each other is a matter of the compound object itself. Our compound object today is a Proboolean. I should have at least two geometries in order to start working with Proboolean compound object. As you can see in our scene, we have a wall and we want to open through that wall for the door and the window. So start by creating a box in the top viewport by clicking on Geometry, Standard Primitives, and Box. Then rename it to Door and then change its dimensions 1 meter in the length and in the width any number more than 0.2, which is our wall thickness. Let's say 0.4, and let's make the height to 1.2 meters. Now we will move the door to adjust it through the wall as shown. Go to Perspective Viewport and select our wall, then click on Create Geometry, choose Compound Objects, and then click on Proboolean. It is important to click only one time on the Proboolean in order not to mess up your model. In the Proboolean parameters, operation, make sure to select the right operation, subtraction in our case, and then go to Pick Boolean and click to select Start Picking and select the door geometry. You notice now that the wall geometry has an opening and we are able to merge door model into our scene. Now go to File menu under Import, click on Merge and browse for the door model inside your project folder, import and click OK. Place the door in its place using Move tool and Snap. We will repeat this process to make void for the window. I will create another box with dimensions width 2, length 0.4, and the height will be 1. We will name that box as Window. And place it inside the wall as shown. Select the wall object, and this time I will go to Modify panel and from Pick Boolean click to select Start Picking, then select the window box, and here we are. In the same manner, I will merge the window object into our scene as we did with the door object. So, From that, we understand that with Proboolean we can add new objects at any stage of our work. If I wanted to add more windows in the same old wall, I would go to the modifier stack and click on the little arrow to the left of the Proboolean word and activate the operands sub-object by clicking on it. From parameters, I will go to subtract window and click on it. Now I have the ability to drag the move gizmo, and this will move the opening. What I want is to make another copy of the window. So press Shift and drag. This will make another opening. In order to place my copy of the window accurately, I will go inside Parameters, Display, and this time select Operands instead of Result. Thus we can see temporarily our window boxes. Now, using the Snap tool, drag the second window box to stick to the first window. Then I will enter the distance value inside the move transform type in. After I'm done, I must make sure to deactivate the sub-object, the operand sub-object in this case. If I want to change the operation, I can change it from parameters, and under sub-object operation, click on change operation. If I want to change the size of any operand, I select the operand door in this case and go again to sub-object operation, then click on instance, and after that click on extract selection. This will make an instance copy from our operand to edit. In case you selected remove and extract selected, this will cancel the opening we made before. I hope this lecture was informative and helpful. Thank you so much.